Honor Earbuds 3 Pro. Specifications. Colors. Honor Earbuds 3 Pro White. Honor Earbuds 3 Pro Gray. Dimensions. Per earbud. Height. 30.5 mm. Width. 21.6 mm. Depth. 24.3 mm. Weight. About 5.1 grams without tip. Charging case. Height. 64.3 mm. Width. 46 mm. Depth. 23.2 mm. Weight. About 42.6 grams without earbuds. Product size, product weight, and related specifications are theoretical values only. Actual measurements between individual products may vary. All specifications are subject to the actual product. Controls. Press control. Twice 3 times long press. Swipe control. Up down. Features. Proximity discovery, dual device connectivity, temperature measurement, active noise reduction, audio pass-through, intelligent dynamic noise reduction, ear canal adaptive ANC, wear leakage compensation, in-call noise reduction, wear detection, low latency gaming, OTA upgrade, etc. Sensor. Cap sensor, hall sensor, temperature sensor. Battery. Battery capacity. Earbud. 42 mAh rated capacity. Charging case. 410 mAh rated capacity. Playtime. Earbud single use from 100%. AAC. 6 hours active noise reduction off. AAC. 4 hours active noise reduction on. With charging case for recharge. AAC. 24 hours active noise reduction off. AAC. 16 hours active noise reduction on. The data is from Honor Labs, tested at 50% volume. Actual time may vary depending on volume, audio source, environment, and usage habits. Charging. USB-C port, 5 volts 1.2A and above. Wireless charging, up to 2.5 W. Charging time. Earbud. Approximately 30 minutes. Charging case. Approximately 1 hour. The data is from Honor Labs. Actual time may vary depending on environment and usage habits. Connectivity. Bluetooth compatibility. Bluetooth 5.2, backward compatible. Pop-up pair. Support. Wear detection. Support. Simultaneous Bluetooth connection with dual devices. Support. Driver. 11 mm moving coil loudspeaker plus high-resolution ceramic tweeter. In the box. Earbuds. 1 pair left-right. Silicone ear tips. 3 pairs left-right with size L, M, and S. Size M is used on earbuds by default. Charging case. 1 piece. USB-C charging cable, 1 piece. Quick start guide, 1 piece. Safety information, 1 piece. Warranty card, 1 piece.